How to select an installer for your solar panels. With the new rollout of massive federal tax credits, state subsidiary programs, and net metering, going solar makes sense. So, how do you pick an installer for your system? Install My System. As with any major part of your home, installation of a solar platform should be done by a professional. Many of the tax credit and rebate programs require professional installation, and failure to do so can lead to the loss of the benefits. In short, there are practical and economic reasons to get it done right. While a solar platform is necessarily a form of electrical generation, you shouldn't assume every electrician knows how to install one. In truth, most do not. Instead, you can visit a site like solarcompanies.com to find businesses in your state, search on the web, or simply pull out the phone book. In states such as California, installers are plentiful, while other locations may require a bit of hunting. Once you've located potential installers, make sure to ask some questions. Do not pick the lowest price or first one you find. Use your common sense and ask the same questions you would to any contractor installing something on your home. The first question to ask is whether the installer has, in fact, installed systems before, how often, and for how many years. You do not want a neophyte handling your installation. Installation experience is vital because certain elements of solar systems are very unique, particularly if you are tying into a grid system for a utility company. If you are tying in, make sure the installer has experience doing such installations, not just putting up solar panels. The second question to ask is whether the installing company is licensed. Most solar installers will be required to have an electrician's license. Contacting the state electrical board to ask about the installer is a wise move. For some state rebates, you may also have to use an installer that has a solar contractor specialty license. Again, the state electrical board should be able to help you out with this. This may all sound a bit confusing, so let's turn to the easiest method for finding installers. When in doubt, contact the manufacturer of your system. Many manufacturers have a list of approved installers. If not, they typically can make recommendations regarding various entities that handle the job for you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.